So today ato ni discuss ang gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD. So kinsay familiar ani nga condition sa inyo?
Ma'am, di ba muna siya kadtong makasaka ang acid from the stomach to the esophagus?
Yes, exactly. So according to John et al., gastroesophageal reflux disease is a type of chronic gastrointestinal disease in which heartburn and regurgitation are the main clinical manifestations and esophageal and pulmonary symptoms may occur.
May ba yun? Di ba naka-experience ko kanina na? Nagkibay, dugay-dugay na po ganit. Nagagi ka, pamatanan na lang ma'am. Niya na lang mo pag-umpong klase, ka na kayo pa
So yearly, ang rate of which GERD is present in individuals is increasing sa lahat mga nagkalain-lain parts of the world. So 20%, so approximately 20% ang sa Europe and sa United States, then sa Asian countries, 10% lang siya. So ang factors na nag-contribute sa GERD is your age, ang race, genes, diet, and your overall lifestyle. So, unsa na ito pagkahibalo if ang patient na-GERD? So, ang pinaka-primary dyan is pH testing. So, it measures directly the amount of acid refluxing into the esophagus through the insertion of a pH probe. So, kani siya is nag-last for 24 hours or longer, depende sa symptoms na nag-manifest sa patient. So, however, due to limitations of pH tests in obtaining visuals of the esophagus, further abnormalities kay two algorithms na ginapropose. So, ang first is endoscopy before nag-consume of proton pump inhibitor or ang pag-administrate ng PPI without endoscopy.
Pwede po ka muli, bay? Ano na po? Sige, active po. Ay, boy, kalimot ko, bay. Ignabiya si ma'am, ha? Mali. Bantay ka. Kutarong dyan. Gilaan din ako. Bye. Ma'am, sa iyo, gusto mong discuss mo ba? Yung reason mo, experience na ako itong mga symptoms sa GERD, kanang ito, magsakit ako bukan man niya sa kay mag-SARS na ako ano naman yung mga tanggal sa ko.
So, guys, ito kanang ang una siya na dapat magpa-check up na lang dito sa doktor para masigurado ka kay usually man na ilang na-prescribe maghatag na sila ng mga medication sa imo. So, kanang kuan, if naapod kay ka ng mga kabalik, kaon-kaon kahilig ka sa mga fatty foods or mga caffeine, dapat yung i-minimize na mga siya kaya isa mo na sa factors ng lifestyle, di ba? So, pero sure, check up na lang dito sa doktor, kasi na lang sa doktor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, auntie, ha?
So good morning, Ms. Ibunia. I understand you've been experiencing some discomfort. Can you tell me your symptoms or what you're feeling?
Lately, I've been feeling frequent heartburns and sometimes I also feel a sour or a bitter taste in my mouth.
No, so how long have you been experiencing these symptoms? No? Do they occur after every meal or kung mahiga ka or when you do certain things?
Well, I've been experiencing these symptoms for a few months now, but yes, it definitely gets worse whenever I'm swallowing or whenever I just plainly lay down.
So have you experienced any other symptoms like difficulty in swallowing, chest pain, or weight loss?
No weight loss, but I have been having trouble swallowing and chest pains occasionally.
Thank you for sharing that, no? So based on your symptoms, it sounds like you might be dealing with GERD. Pero to confirm the diagnosis, I recommend an upper endoscopy to examine your esophagus and your stomach. You might also consider a pH testing to monitor the acid levels within your esophagus.
But do you mind me asking what happens during an endoscopy?
So, ang endoscopy, involve siya sa insertion sa isa ka thin tube with a camera through your mouth para ma-visualize ang imong digestive tract. Pero, if you're worried, kay isedate man sad ka so you won't feel any discomfort at all. So this will also help us check any inflammation or damage caused sa acid reflux.
If you think, Doc, that an endoscopy is necessary for my condition, I'll be okay with that.
So GERD man is case-to-case basis. So what you're experiencing, there are different levels pa ana. So one way or other treatments available would be your lifestyle change. Importante kay ni kay if dili pud ka mag-change sa imong lifestyle or like the food you eat, kung sige kag kaano fatty foods or sige ra kag drink og caffeine, kay dili gid ka mag-get better. So even if taga na kag tambal pero dili ka mag-change sa how you live, dili gyud gyapon siya mag-take effect. So speaking of medicine pod, ang medicines kay help lang sila og reduce imong stomach acid. In some cases pod kung dili gyud mag-work imong medicine kay proceed na ta og surgery. So let's further discuss that kung nanay mo results.
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
Paraan niya tambal, nurse.
Yes. So, kani siya ang omeprazole o ang imong antacids. Ang omeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor. Ginatawag naman siya PPI. So, ang omeprazole works by reducing the amount of acid your stomach makes. So, mas effective na siya if 30 minutes before breakfast imo ni siya inumon. On an empty stomach yun siya kay mas less effective siya if imo ni i-take with food in your stomach. So, kani siyang antacids, kani siya ang imong immune if naka-immediate symptom, like if nagka-heartburn ka after nimo mag-breakfast, so imo ni siyang immune. Pero be careful, dili nimo siya immune too close sa imong omeprazole kay maka-interfere ni siya sa absorption sa imong omeprazole.
Thank you for the information.
Yes, welcome.
Always remember, managing GERD requires a conscious effort. The goal is to reduce symptoms and improve the patient's quality of life.